Alright, welcome back to Cooking with the KAM Fam. We've got our bowl of veggies, some honey garlic sauce, some... I forgot what sauce that is. I'm guessing teriyaki-like sauce. Our oil, and tonight is chicken and beef. Lo mein, stir fry. What's the exact name?
Like a lo mein stir fry, I guess. But hey guys, here's the good news. If you follow the directions in the house, you gotta cook the meat, take the meat out, then cook the veggies. We're cooking this all at one time pretty much, and it's gonna be done quickly.
Oh, and you hear that? It
Train
never
time.
fails.
So stay
You
tuned,
can hear the
guys.
train. Choo-choo.
Alright guys, so we got the griddle nice and hot. We're gonna drop a little bit of that avocado oil on so we don't have any sticky meat. Nobody likes their meat to stick, right? Alright, so now that oil's gonna run. I'm gonna try not to get late in the process. Alright, so here's our first. We got some beef.
Now, you could certainly make this without meat and make it a vegetable lo mein. But this was already ready to go in a package at the grocery store. And we decided we'd give it a go and add our own touch to it.
We're going to drop some of that Frank Red hot stinging honey garlic sauce on everything while it cooks up. We do have that glaze coming out of later. This is just a little bit of cooking flavor.
And that will serve as the seasoning for this meat because it'll give it a rich garlic taste. Oh, you can already smell the flavor.
Alright, so it's not going to take too long to cook because it is in smaller chunks cut. So we're going to let that sit over here a little bit. It does have some cooking to do still. So while we're waiting for that stuff to cook down, let's throw the veggies on. Sound good?
Let's do it.
Alright, so we got a good mixture of a whole lot of different veggies. So let's get those on here. Want any seasoning in those, or they just gonna cook down themselves?
Yeah, we have some mushrooms.
Drop a little water in there.
Help them steam. Some broccoli, some kale. I mean, this is just a stir-fry mix from the produce department.
I'm gonna chop that chicken in a little bit smaller chunks. So our meat is getting cooked. It's not done yet. So we're making progress. Alright, so let's toss these veggies around a little bit.
We got some pea pods, mushrooms, carrots, broccoli, kale. Looks like some sprouts of some kind.
And again, you can make this yourself, or you can buy the pre-made ones. We want some pre-made because
because that makes this quick and easy.
Right, so give that a little bit more liquid, and then I think I'm gonna close the lid for a minute here, guys. Hopefully those veggies will cook down, and that meat will be ready as well. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So that's been cooking for a little bit. So let's get this meat tossed around. We're gonna start mixing that together. So you can see as well, by doing that little bit of sauce in it, keeps that meat nice and juicy. And these veggies are looking good. They're starting to not be
steam
so
up.
crunchy. A little bit of steam looking.
Some purple cabbage, I forgot to mention.
There's a lot of different goodies in there, guys. So let's go ahead. We're gonna drop the noodles in with the meat.
So again, pre-packaged. These are pre-cooked. Looks like spaghetti noodles.
I'm gonna call it fancy noodles.
If you're making this at home, you could also use ramen noodles.
Right. So, and then we're gonna take one of the sauce packets that came in here, guys, and we're gonna drizzle that over the noodles and the meat. So start getting that teriyaki flavor in here. And then we're gonna take another sauce packet and we're gonna put it over the veggies. So we can start adding, once I can find, there's the corner for it. So guys, just remember on the Blackstone, this has been fast, because if we were inside, we'd have to wait till the chicken and the beef cooked, and we would have to take it out. You sit on the side, we're cooking everything at one time. All right, so we got another sauce.
Right, this one was from just the vegetable packet.
All right, so it looks like we had two of those, so we're gonna go one sauce each on each side. Ooh, it is hot over this griddle.
It is warm. Looks like Ainsley came out to join the action. Yes, bugs live outdoors. That's how it works.
All right, then we're gonna put the other one over the meat. We're gonna cook and get this all put together. All right, so let's start tossing our veggies. Get a little bit of sauce in there.
Oh, you can smell that teriyaki sauce. You can see how the colors are vibrant, but the vegetables have cooked down, so.
All right, so it doesn't look as humongous. All right, guys, so let's get those noodles.
Separate it a little.
Mixed up in the meat. So in case you're wondering, we are available to cook for your party. You just gotta have your party here, because I'm not coming to you.
Now, if you wanted to add soy sauce, that would also be a great. There's some sesame oil to top this off. Or what's the other popular one we add? Hoisin. The hoisin sauce you could also add to this. Hoisin.
You mind taking this stuff in? That'd be
So
wonderful.
it's like poison with an H. Hoisin.
No, she said hoisin, but you chose to hear poison. Okay, so let's start mixing everything together. We're gonna toss. When I say toss, really it's like a mixture of stir toss. Tell me this does not look delicious right now, guys.
Well, Kevlin is definitely going to say not happening.
I'm about to say, good.
Is there anything you're going to pick out that you won't eat?
No, this is all delicious.
I'm not a snow pea fan.
So now that it's all melted together, I'm gonna give it about 30 seconds, lid closed.
Maybe some water. That's good.
Alright guys, so we've been letting that cook just a little bit with the lid closed, and I think it's about dinner time. What do you think, Karen? Look good?
It looks delicious.
Alright, so we're going to grab the tray, and I'm going to scoop as much as I can.
Tell me to hold it?
Without burning myself.
Once you start putting it on there, it looks like a lot.
There is a lot here, guys. I don't know how much longer. We're going to set this down over here, because otherwise I'm afraid that tray's going to break. It's starting to get heavy. This is like a probably $100 meal at some restaurant, guys.
And we paid maybe $30 total.
I don't think we paid 30, probably like 25. Alright guys, we're gonna take that to inside, and then it's time to clean this thing up, and then we're gonna let you know what we think.
All right, we'll be back.
Washing dishes, it's a brand new start. With the music playing, I'm dancing from the heart.
Alright guys, and just like that, we're ready to go eat, because you know it took a while to wash a pan with all that teriyaki sauce. See inside.
What did you think, McKenna?
I mean, I like the sauce and the chicken, but it's very vegetable heavy and it was kind of gross.
Was it vegetables you didn't like?
They just taste weird, the vegetables in there.
Kevin, what do you got?
I don't know.
What are you eating?
Scrambled egg. With spam.
Yes. Because someone was like, ew, vegetables. All right, Ainsley, what do you think?
I thought it was very good.
Mommy,
But
why
there's like-
couldn't I?
I didn't get that much noodles, so it's a lot. There's a lot of vegetables in it, but it's still really good.
I've only had one bite so far, and I even ate a snow pea, which is not my favorite.
Do you want me to record you?
No, it's fine. But I think it's good.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna try a bite here. Get some veggies, a little bit of everything. Some chicken. I think it's really good. Got a lot of good flavor to it. Try a piece of the beef.
Trying to get your plate.
Yeah, sorry. Alright guys. I think the beef's a little bit harder than the chicken. But overall,
Harder as in overcooked or just a tougher piece of meat?
really tougher piece of meat. I don't know. Maybe cooked too long.
Would you make it again?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Maybe not for the price they had. If they were on sale again, maybe.
Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up this edition with Cooking with the KAM Fam. We're gonna finish eating.
We'll see you next time.
Bye guys.